Today, Part-Time BBQ, smoking up some Spatchcock chicken in the Gateway drum smoker. Fantastic, easy to do recipe. If you're worried about the word spatchcock, it just means you remove the backbone and lay the chicken flat for a more even cook. And we're going to show you what that looks like in a minute. Hey, if you like smoked chicken, stand by because this is going to be awesome and you can do it yourself. We seasoned our Spatchcock chicken up today. We first started off with Kosmos chicken soak. Yeah, I know what you're saying. You're reading the bag and that says Kosmos original chicken injection. And that's what this bag is. I used up all the chicken soak, threw the bag away, so this is a stand-in. We did a 5-hour soak brine on the chicken in the Kosmos, rinsed the chicken off thoroughly, and then we seasoned it. Today we're seasoning it up with we're using big Poppas smokers, Desert Gold, a really nice savory rub. And we're following up the big Poppas smokers, Desert Gold seasoning with a little bit of sweetness, Kosmos Honey Killer Bee. It's going to add a little sweetness and a little color to it. When we're done smoking all this up, we're going to finish it off with Blueshog Tennessee Red sauce. Fantastic sauce. Pick this up at Acehardware, my local barbecue supplier. So that is the seasonings we're using on our Spatchcock chicken today. Again, 5-hour soak in the chicken brine. We did a double hit of dry rubs, big Poppas smokers, Desert Gold seasoning, followed by Kosmos Honey Killer Bee. Hey, we're smoking up our Spatchcock chicken today on our Gateway drum smoker using some wonderful B&B Oak Natural Lump Charcoal. As you can see, the fire basket is lit. We're going to put the basket in the smoker and get that up to temperature and get ready for our cook. Several tools that you can use to spatchcock a chicken and remove the backbone. Today I use my Hinkle poultry shears. They do a great job. You can also use a large butcher knife if you're confident in your knife skills. But if you're not, poultry shears are the way to go. I'm going to be using some applewood chunks to provide a little smoke flavor for our Spatchcock chicken today. One note about smoking is that smoke is an element of the cook, just like salt or seasoning is. A lot of people believe that the smokier the meat is, the better it is. And in my opinion, just the contrary. You want to have a nice balanced smoke flavor. Today we're going to achieve that with just these 2 chunks of applewood in our Gateway drum smoker. All you insanecanposse people, needle straight up, 300 degrees. It's going to be at about an hour and 10-minute cook to get the chicken thighs to 175. And of course we're going to be using our thermal pin to judge doneness. We're going to get this chicken on. Our 2 Spatchcock chickens have been loaded up into the Gateway drum smoker. 2 chunks of applewood have been added to our B&B lump charcoal. We're going to put the lid on, come back and check it in just about an hour.